Welcome to the third video tutorial on how to create a WordPress blog. I would like to say sorry please for the video which I did. Um, Unfortunately, I don't remember the password of my WordPress website, so I'm so sorry, and I would like to advise you when you're creating your WordPress account with WordPress, please make sure you save your password. Make sure you take in you wrote your find somewhere and save your email and password. Okay, so actually for now I have gotten the password. Let us continue where we will stop. Okay, the link is best style 360.wordpress.com. Now you have to log in. Here on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize the theme, and I can also direct it. I can also guide you on how to change the theme. So now this is the WordPress blog. So now when you want to start the customization, you can either come here, click on customization or customized, come in here. This uh, I hope you can see what I'm pointing. Okay, so those are the two places where you can go to do your customization, your theme. So now, as you can see, this says you are customizing site style. As you can see, this is a link saying you need help set up your site. Is a question you click, it will direct you, explain how to do some setup. So now let us click on site identity. We start with site identity. So now if you take a look here where you see site tiled, so this is words here. So you have to put in your site tile. Like now, let me say best best lifestyle style. Okay, best lifestyle. Okay, and or if you want to put in your logo, you can also upload it here. Okay, so and you also want to set up your the computer. This is free. It's free website on the WordPress. So um, for you to hide the WordPress computer, so you have to pay, and it says hide, that is business plan required. So apart from this, if you click hide, it will ask you to upgrade. So that is how it is. So but since it's free now, I can leave it. Have to save it. Now open new tab and go to the website where you see the changes you made. So now is from here it's also showing what we did. So as you can see, this is best lifestyle, best lifestyle website. Okay, you can come go back. You can come to color and background. So here, this is where you made some changes to change the color here, and some other changes to here. Okay, so now if you want to change the background, You can you click, you made any, click any of the color you wished. For me, I'm going to leave it like this. But if you wish, this is where you select the color. Okay, see, this is the color giving you out. The color, I hope you can see. Okay, giving you. Okay, let me do it so that you can understand. Okay, when you click on the end of the color, you save it, then you open to the new tab. Now refresh and see what happened. You see, as you can see, it has changed. It has changed. Okay, so let's prepare that. Okay, this one. So if you come back again, refresh, it will change. So this is how to do change the background color theme. Now you go back. Now we go to fonts where you have access to change the font. This one says default theme font, where you have to click, you choose any of the font if you have any which you prefer to use. Now let me use this, whereby the by now, as you can see now, it will change, refresh and see how changes it will come up. You see now, so this is where you can change the font. The same thing, base font. Okay, yeah, you can decide to change any of this also. You save where this one also changes. Okay, okay, you can now save and come here and be watching so that you see all the changes happening on the website. Changes. Okay, it has changed. Okay, now let me go back. Now I have to go to main menu. Okay, I have not yet activated my main menu. So now you go to content options. Yeah, you have to set in the post details. That's when you post what will appear under your post. You know, the right. So now the first one is display date. If you doesn't want dates to like this one, if you don't want it, this is where you can remove it. Display categories. That's the categories of the like this now. Blog post style. That's when you categorize different posts into your website. This is where you activate the categories. If you remove, then the categories will not show. So now you can also allow tags. You tag, you allow tags on your post also. You can now, okay, this one the picture images and display on block and achieve display on single post. Automatically use first image in post. Yes. So now you can refresh and see what happened. So now, as you can see, I have removed the date on my. Sometimes I can advise you not to use date on post because sometimes it may happen when you're busy doing some other things and you feel not to post on your website. So at least when someone new visitor, a new viewers to your website will not understand when was the post, when the post was made, when the post was done. He can't understand. So it's really good that you don't use the date. But if you know you have enough time for you to always post, and then I will advise you to also activate the date so that you know that all the time you have time to post on your website. Okay, let's continue now. So can go to the week where you can also have access to Facebook tab. Okay, first footer. What should be the first footer? Okay, so now this is the first footer where you will write something like this about me. Okay, you can remove this so that you all just basically you put the footer in a way you can understand about me. I am really, or you can say you can start by saying my name is Andrew. Andrew David. Uh, Blog of of best lifestyle of best lifestyle. I am always um, always kind to people around me where where I always like share my experience people. So you can put in your about me, the description, the note, and you then save it. Okay. So now you come here onto the bridge where you can now refreshed. Okay. So you have saved it. You go back. Now this is the second tab also where you can there's a search. If it doesn't want, you can remove. You can close. You can change it with any other one here. Add. You can change it. Maybe you can put any of this. Okay. You can put in anything you wished. Maybe okay. You want to put in your RSS as your RSS feed. Any of this you can put in. So that is okay. So as you can see, this is what I did, which says my name is Andrew David, the blog on best lifestyle, and I always kind people around me where I always like to share my life experience with people. So this is how it is. Okay, so I can leave this one searched. So this is search now. This is the first footer. This is the second. We go to the third. Okay, the third, that's where my social medias are. So this is the third footer. In the third footer where you can put in your social media username. Okay, like example, um, the example now. This one is www.facebook.com. I want to give you an example. Okay, the TV, so now you save it and you press the page and see what happened. Okay, so now let me refresh and see what happened. So you try and click on the, okay, sorry, let me show you one mistake where, okay, which says this page isn't available. The link you follow may be broken or the page may have removed. Okay, okay, let me go back and do that. So when you want to put it already, they have categorize it, where it's written Facebook username, so you only put the username. So don't put www.facebook.com. So you just put in the username, all the usernames. So like this one, I have to put and paste, okay, paste 2015. Let me see what happened. And Instagram also, I have to put in the STV. Let me see what happened also. So as you can see now, if you let me do that, okay. Okay, now if you click to directed you the page pop-up, as you can see, it's happening where it has www.facebook.com/antivirus very okay, that's nice. Okay, the same thing with the other social medias where I have put in the, say the same thing, whether this one is going to happen. Okay, as also happening. You see, it has happened. So that's you need to avoid any mistake. You know, this one also it has happened. So this is how to do that, where you can set up all any of the social media you doesn't want it to appear here, you can remove it. So like this one, I doesn't have an account for this, so I can remove this, and this one also. I have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, uh, and YouTube. So I can leave from this, remove two. Okay, so let me show you how to remove any of the social media on Twitter.